Here's how to send large video files in WhatsApp and Teams in high quality. Chat applications such as WhatsApp and Teams have file size limits when it comes to sending video files. Here you can see these limits. Not much at all. Therefore, it's often suggested to transfer the files with Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. and just share a link. But let's be real, it's not the same, is it? It's much cleaner to be able to send the file in its original quality directly in WhatsApp or Teams. Now, for this, we're going to have to use a compressor tool that can do this task efficiently. I recommend the UniConverter. It's what I'm going to use as well. You may download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. The reason I'm going to use the UniConverter is because of its industry-leading compressor tool. This compressor tool can compress video files while maintaining a high quality at a very small file size. The compressor supports batch processing without file number limits, so import all of the ones that you'd like to compress. Now, in our case, it's best to choose the compression ratio file by file, since you need to keep the file size limit in mind, and the files on your batch list might have different sizes. So click on the compression settings. Now, there are three modes to choose from: prioritizing quality, prioritizing size, or the AI compression mode. It's essentially combining the other two. With the first two, you'll see an estimated output file size, but the AI mode doesn't show. One thing to know about quality and size priority is that the compression percentage is linear, which means that a 50% compression ratio will result in half the file size or half the original quality. With the AI compression mode, this is different. It's a tiny bit experimental. A higher compression ratio can already result in 10–20% of the original size, while keeping the original quality. Now, I usually choose something around 70% because it always gives me a great result. The output format for the AI mode is MP4. For the other two, you have options. Either way, maybe you can try to see if 70% will get the file within the file size limit. If it isn't afterwards, you can try a lower percentage and see if it does the job. When you're done setting up the compression ratio, choose an output folder and click on Compress All. Now, the great thing about the compressor tool, which you'll also see once your files are processed, is that it reduces the size of your files while keeping the video in the same crisp quality. Let's see about sending the video that was clearly much larger than the file size limit on WhatsApp in crisp quality. So, select the video from your camera roll, or if you're using the desktop application of WhatsApp, just simply drag and drop it in there. Here, click on HD though to send it in high quality. Otherwise, WhatsApp will further compress it, which will result in quality loss, and then just send it. On Teams, this issue is not present, only the file size limit. So very easily, that's how you avoid using cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox for sending large video files, including file transfer services. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up on the video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.